Hey guys, Rudy Gutierrez here with SolidPlant. I'm going to show you how to do a pack and go of a P&ID project. So as you can see here, I have my project. No, this is not a good example. Let me open, no. So I'm going to open a, let's see here. So I'm going to do sync test. I'm going to open the drawing. Okay, I guess this will work. Process lines, I have two. Okay, that's fine. So I just have two process lines on this one. So anyways, let's say this is our standard project and we want to continue to use this project for, it's a standardized project. It's got all of our symbols. It's got all of our drawings, initial drawings and whatnot. We can use this to begin new projects, to copy all of the drawings and settings for our new project. So the way to do that is, if you'll notice here, so it's sync test is the name of our standard project, okay? So what you'll do is you'll go to new project. So based on sync test project, and then you want to hit next, and then here's the magic. So you want to copy settings from existing project. Okay, so you want to click the browse to button. All right, and then you want to select sync test and then select that .spsln file. Okay, and then here's the most important thing is you want to select copy drawings, assemblies, and related files. All right, and then we'll go ahead and hit create. Okay, so it's creating a new project and it's copying all the drawings and whatnot from that standardized project or from that one project. You want to hit no. So we're going to go and find our new project. So we're going to go to the Project Explorer. We're going to open up that based on sync test project, and then you can see that it has those drawings already that you can start your project with. So you see that? So that's how you, and if you need to rename your drawings, you can right click and rename. Yeah, right click and rename. And then you can say drawing 1 based on sync test project. Oh, it has to be closed, so whatever, drawing 1. All right, so now if we go to our documents, so documents, SolidPlant 2019, projects, we'll go and we'll look at this new project that we created. And if we look at our P&ID drawings, it'll now have that newly created drawing. So that's how you pack and go, quote unquote pack and go, is you have a standardized project, P&ID project, and then that's what you use to create new projects based on that. So I hope this video made sense. Thanks.